What's it like to use Project Controls 3.0? You cycle through 4 phases. What data should you gather? How are control metrics produced? What actions should you take? And what results should you expect? The cycle starts with counts of what's planned and done in work hours, work products like turbines in a wind farm build, or story points in a product backlog. Counts accumulate in the baseline at a regular cadence. You gather the counts done at the end of each period. As an example, let's say the actual time is at the end of period 7. You capture the counts done up until that point in time. Put the numbers into a file, select the file, set parameters for a run, and Express 3.0 produces the metrics. Charts and tables drive decision making. Take the time burn down chart, for example. One period is planned for each period elapsed. At the end of each period, time earned is subtracted from time planned. If time earned is below plan, you're ahead of schedule. If time earned is above plan, you're behind schedule. The burn down gives you a quick reading on schedule performance. On time? Yes or no? Here, it's no. The visual is good for communication with stakeholders. It gives them an accurate impression of how things are going. But it's weak for decision making. For example, how big a gap calls for action. To decide, you need to know the impact of performance on the future. And that's given by the duration estimate. It uses current performance to estimate when you'll finish. Current performance is the time earned divided by the actual time. Take that rate, divide it into the planned duration, and you get the estimated duration. In other words, given that rate, it will take this long to finish. Then, compare the estimated duration to a threshold value. Is there a trend? A trend is 3 or more consecutive measurements headed in the same direction. Here, the trend heads towards reserve. If it breaches that threshold, it's a crisis, and it's too late to recover. So, heed the warning. When estimated duration passes planned duration and heads towards reserve, start problem solving right away. That means identify the problem, find root cause, create solutions, pick one, and take action. What actions? Integrate solutions into the plan, realign other work, and execute. Then track and save counts for the next control loop. To sum up, counts are mapped to time, baselined, and updated. A tool produces charts for communication and numbers for analysis. Tactical decisions focus on the future impacts of trends. Problems are solved, work in progress gets done, and time commitments are met. Here are some links.